When it comes to editing photos, Photoshop holds the same title as Google does in online searching. I mean, from almost a decade ago, Photoshop has been widely accepted as a verb in our dictionaries. Unfortunately, an expensive verb. Today, I will show you an online equivalent of Photoshop that is free and covers almost everything you need from Photoshop inside your browser. Stay tuned. This online utility is called Photopea, and using it is as simple as typing www.photopea.com. If you are a professional running a studio or a graphic and photography business, it is not for you, but you still can benefit from it. It duplicates most Photoshop features in the exact same way, and hence, unlike other alternatives, here you get the same user experience, hotkeys, mouse features, etc. I also have good news about it at the end of this video. But before that, you will be shocked when you hear that all this was almost entirely developed by one programmer and around 3 ideas: making advanced editing accessible to everyone, removing borders by supporting all existing formats instead of inventing a new format, and making designers less dependent on their installed software. The genius guy behind all this is this guy, Ivan Katskir, who is a 27 years old graduate from Prague. His goal is to replace commercial editors with an easy to access alternative, and the more users use this tool, the more he gets closer to his goal. So I will make a quick tutorial on using Photopea in the near future just to support him. And that wasn't the good news I mentioned earlier. The good news is that Photopea can be installed on Chrome and other supported browsers as an awesome extension. So basically you can even convert it to a web app in Windows 10 and run it as an app from your start menu. I use Photoshop and Affinity Photo almost daily as a side task at my work. And after using this free tool, I have to admit it worked better than I expected. But the main advantage of Photopea is that you can have this tool on every computer freely and with no installation. With a good computer, I was able to even edit full frame 50 megapixel photos of my lovely Nikon D850. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for your time. This is HamidDLL, and I will see you in